Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start, Turning Ideas into High-Growth Businesses. Lecture 9. Managing Risks and Challenges. 1. Introduction to Managing Risks and Challenges. 2. Identifying and Mitigating Risks. 3. Managing Cash Flow and Financial Risks. 4. Dealing with Legal and Regulatory Challenges. 5. Overcoming startup pitfalls and failures. 6. Adapting to changing market dynamics and disruptions. Managing risks and challenges. As a high-growth business, managing risks and challenges is crucial to your success. While it may be tempting to focus solely on growth and expansion, neglecting risk management can lead to devastating consequences. From financial risks to legal and regulatory challenges, there are a multitude of Identifying and mitigating risks. Identifying and mitigating risks is crucial for any high-growth business. One of the first steps in identifying potential risks is to conduct a thorough risk assessment. This involves identifying all possible risks, analyzing their likelihood and impact, and prioritizing them based on their severity. Once risks have been identified, it's important to develop strategies for mitigating them. This may involve implementing processes and controls to minimize the likelihood or impact of the risk, transferring the risk through insurance or other means, or avoiding the risk altogether. It's important to regularly review and update risk mitigation strategies to ensure they remain effective. Managing cash flow and financial risks. In a high-growth business, managing cash flow and financial risks is crucial to ensure long-term success. One of the first steps is to establish a cash flow forecast that predicts future inflows and outflows, allowing you to plan ahead and make informed decisions. It's also important to regularly review and update this forecast as your business evolves. Another key strategy is to diversify your revenue streams, reducing your reliance on any one source of income. This can help mitigate the risk of unexpected downturns or market shifts. Additionally, keeping a close eye on expenses and implementing cost-cutting measures when necessary can help maintain a healthy cash flow. Dealing with legal and regulatory challenges. High-growth businesses face a number of legal and regulatory challenges that can be difficult to navigate. One of the biggest challenges is keeping up with constantly changing regulations and requirements. This can be especially challenging for startups that may not have the resources to hire dedicated legal staff or consultants. Another challenge is dealing with government agencies and regulators, which can be time-consuming and frustrating. It's important to stay organized and keep detailed records to ensure compliance and minimize the risk of penalties or fines. Overcoming startup pitfalls and failures. Starting a business is never easy, and many startups fail within the first few years of operation. Common pitfalls include underestimating the amount of time and money required to get off the ground, failing to properly understand the target market and competition, and not having a solid business plan in place. However, failure is not the end of the road. In fact, it can be an opportunity to learn valuable lessons and come back stronger than ever before. One key to overcoming startup failures is to stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive attitude. It's important to remember that setbacks are a natural part of the entrepreneurial journey, and every successful entrepreneur has faced challenges along the way. Additionally, seeking out mentors and networking with other entrepreneurs can provide valuable insights and support. Finally, being willing to pivot and make adjustments to your business model as needed can help you adapt to changing circumstances and increase your chances of success. Adapting to changing market dynamics and disruptions. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's essential to be able to adapt quickly to changing market dynamics and disruptions. The ability to pivot and adjust your strategies in response to new challenges and opportunities can mean the difference between success and failure. One key strategy for adapting to changing market dynamics is to stay informed about industry trends and emerging technologies. By keeping up to date with the latest developments, you can identify new opportunities and potential threats early on, and adjust your strategies accordingly. It's also important to be open to feedback from customers, employees, and other stakeholders, and to use that feedback to inform your decision-making process. Conclusion. In conclusion, managing risks and challenges is an essential aspect of any endeavor, whether it's a business venture, a project, or even our personal lives. By proactively identifying and assessing potential risks and challenges, we can develop strategies to mitigate their impact and increase the likelihood of success. Throughout this discussion, we have explored various key principles and strategies for effective risk management. We began by emphasizing the importance of a comprehensive risk assessment, which involves identifying potential risks, analyzing their likelihood and impact, and prioritizing them based on their significance. Furthermore, we highlighted the significance of developing contingency plans and alternative solutions to address unforeseen challenges that may arise. By having backup plans in place, we can minimize disruptions and ensure a smooth transition when unexpected events occur. Moreover, communication and collaboration play a critical role in managing risks and challenges. Establishing clear lines of communication, fostering a culture of transparency, and encouraging team members to report potential issues are vital in maintaining a proactive risk management approach. Additionally, we discussed the value of continuous monitoring and evaluation throughout the project lifecycle. Regularly assessing the effectiveness of risk management strategies allows for adjustments and refinements to be made, ensuring that the project remains on track and aligned with its objectives. Lastly, it is important to remember that risks and challenges are not always negative.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.